Okay, boys and girls, here we are. Day number 3 of January daily math. 15 minus 8 is the same as 8 minus 15. So I'm thinking of our commutative property of addition, not subtraction. 15 minus 8 is 7. 8 minus 15 is a lot less than 7, right? If you have 8 fingers and you take away 15 of them, you can't even do it, can you? So this is false. It's not the same. Number 2, write less than, greater than, or equal to. 720 is something compared to 700 plus 2. So let's look at the 700 plus 2. That's 702. Oh, tricky. They moved the 0 and the 2 to the 2 and the 0. See that? So 20 is greater than 2. So 720 is greater than 702. I love to eat fish. My zookeeper feeds me 2 buckets of fish each day. There are 12 fish in each bucket. How many fish do I eat in a day? 2 buckets of fish each day. There are 12 fish in each bucket. So it's like having a breakfast and a dinner. We skip lunch, I guess. So 2 buckets of fish, and there's 12 in each one. So 2 times 12 equals 24. Or 12 plus 12 equals 24, right? So how many fish do I eat in a day? I eat 24 fish. 12 in the morning, 12 in the afternoon, 24. So underline how many, circle fish, 24 fish. All right, write the numbers. 100 less, 100 more. Well, 100 less, so 100 less. He had 300, so 100 less than 1 less than 3 is 2. And we're just looking at the hundreds column, right? We already know it's going to be a 45 there, and we already know it's going to end in a 45 there. So 100 less is 2, 100 more is 4. So the only thing that changes here are that 2 and the 4. You see how it goes 2, 3, 4? So 1 less, 1 more. Okay, number 5. Kevin and his friends went ice skating on New Year's Day. They skated from 2 o'clock to 5 o'clock. How many hours did they skate? So we start at 2 o'clock and we say 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock. So they skated for 3 hours. All right, boys and girls, that's it for today. We'll see you tomorrow for day 4.